Hello YouTube, where are we, Poppy? Oh, Clumber Park. We're Clumber Park with the bikes. Look at those bikes. Oh, tumbling bike. Anime is in her anime trailer. How's the trailer? Are you excited? So, yeah. So we're going to go around the lake, aren't we, Pops?
We've been before.
We have been before.
Yeah,
and it's not had a trailer before.
We've not brought the bikes, have we?
We did a video, didn't we?
I think we did. I think we did.
It's Father's Day.
It is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, everybody. Mother's Day.
Oh.
Right. Shall we get on with it?
I knew it was something day.
Yes. Shall we get on with it?
Yeah.
How we doing, family?
I'm wet.
Poppy's got a sweat on. We just crossed a big bridge, didn't we?
Yeah.
Are you tired, Annie?
He's enjoying a ride.
Tired from your bicycling?
I want one of them to carry me.
Right. We're gonna go down here. What's you telling me, darling? You telling me to get back on? Shall we go back that way? Shall we carry on going that way? Yeah. Okay. Isn't it beautiful? Are they coming, Annie? Here comes Poppy.
Go ahead.
You head.
Dragonfly. Ooh.
Oh, I think we're about halfway round. Very pretty. Anime. Steph Pops are up there. We'll go catch up with them. What have we found, Poppy?
Move!
They're not interested.
What do you think, Anime? Animals. One coming up there, look, side of Mummy, look.
Oh yeah.
Where's it coming from?
Well, there's one thing, Mummy, they don't lay down.
No.
Yeah, that's good, so it won't rain.
Yeah.
Hello. Mr. Move.
Hello.
Mrs. Move.
Anybody move.
Are we gonna carry on?
You go carry it, Rob? Peddling. She's sleeping with Macapaka.
And she's filming.
Yeah, she's vlogging too. Are we all tired?
Yes.
5 mile we've done round that lake. 5 miles. It was 12 wasn't it, Mum, the last time he was on a bike? Or was it 13?
Somewhere around.
Right, we're gonna head.
Started thundering.
It just starts thundering. It looks a bit black over there. So I think we're gonna head back to the car. So we're gonna get off back to the car before it thunderstorms. Anyway, thanks for watching our biking vlog, and we'll see you all very soon. See you later. Bye bye.